Come test drive the 2010 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.